For clients with a file-based integration with Martus, this tutorial video will demonstrate how to upload your GL transaction detail into Martus. The second half of this video is designed to assist clients who may need to update their transaction file to include the date on all the rows. Please be aware this update is needed only if the accounting system does not export the date of the transactions on all rows. Most accounting systems will do this for you automatically. You will first export the GL detail from your accounting system in the format agreed upon at the time of implementation. Next, you must save this file in an Excel XLSX format with the name of the file set to transactions underscore 4-digit year underscore 2-digit month. To upload your file in Martus, you'll go to Dashboard and then click Updater. A separate transaction file for each month is required when importing. You may upload multiple files at the same time. Make sure the file contains all the transactions for that month. You can also upload as frequently as you'd like. If importing for the current month, be sure to include all transactions to date in that month. Simply choose your file and then click Upload. You will see the file processing below. If you receive an error message when uploading, such as a dimension value not found or unknown account, please refer to this article in our knowledge base. Once the processing finishes, you'll be able to see your financial data in Martus when running reports. The last part of this video is designed to assist clients who need to add the date on all rows of the transaction file if the accounting system does not do this. So here's an Excel tip where I'll show you how to quickly add the date on all rows of your file where it's missing. Again, most accounting systems will do this for you automatically. If your file already has the dates on every row, you can skip these next steps. Here's an example of a transaction file. Yours may look different than the example here, but the process will be the same. First, remove any blank rows in the header section if there are any. Next, select the date column where you have the blank cells. Then go to the Home tab, and then choose Find and Select. Click Go to Special, select Blanks, and then OK. You'll now see that all the blank cells are selected in that column. Next, we're going to put a very simple formula to grab the value from the cell above. Type in the equal sign and tap the up arrow key. Now, to fill that formula into all the selected cells, hold the Control key and press Enter. You can now see that the date for each transaction is populated in all the rows. The last step is to select that column, press Ctrl-C to copy that column, and then right-click on the column and select Paste Values. This will remove the formulas from those cells. And finally, you can save the file with the appropriate name and you're ready to upload into Martus. For more detailed information regarding the import process, you can refer to this article in our knowledge base. Thank you for watching.